petrochemical is one, or green energy, green hydrogen is one stream. Then downstream industries, how to go about, how to create that ecosystem. One is infrastructure, one is downstream industries, promotion, and at the same time creating market also. Then only it will be sustainable venture. So that is where, as you rightly mentioned, for the last 15 years we are talking, we have stopped at one level. If you go to Singapore, that is one of the best Jurong island. They have done very well. We want to bring similar to India for the last 10 years. We are unable to bring as on today. Sometimes that eco players now. BPCL has come, Ramayampatnam they are doing. Now they may need some more technological partners or downstream industries, how to bring them as a consortium. That is another area. Now NTPC is going. Now they have to create market also simultaneously, downstream industries. But there is a future. Initial mover will have an advantage. And at the same time, initial mover will have a tough time to break.